Moving out of a rented home can feel a bit overwhelming, can't it? But don't worry, I've got you covered with a simple, step-by-step cleaning guide to help you hand back your property in top condition. This will help protect your deposit and keep things friendly with your landlord. First things first, make a plan. Work room by room, starting at the top. That means ceilings first, then work your way down to the floors. Take before and after photos for your own peace of mind and gather your supplies. Microfiber cloths, mop vacuum cleaners for the bathroom and kitchen, glass cleaner and plenty of bin bags. Let's start in the living room and bedrooms. Remove all your personal bits and any rubbish. Dust and wipe down skirting boards, window ledges and shelves. Give the carpets a good vacuum, and if there are any stains, consider steam cleaning. Wipe walls gently to lift any scuffs, but don't repaint unless your landlord's agreed. And don't forget inside wardrobes and drawers. Next up, the kitchen. This one's important. Clean the oven, hob, splashback and extractor fan. Get rid of all that grease. Empty and clean the fridge and freezer and defrost if you need to. Wipe inside and outside of all cupboards. Clean the sink and taps and mop the floor. In the bathroom, descale taps, shower heads and tiles. Give the toilet, sink, bath and shower a proper scrub. Wipe mirrors and glass screens until they're streak-free. If you spot any mold, treat it with a fungicidal cleaner, but don't try to replace silicone, just clean it and report any damage. Don't forget the windows and doors. Clean windows inside and outside if it's safe. Wipe frames, handles and doors, especially around the handles. For hallways and stairs, vacuum carpets, mop where needed and clean banisters and light switches. It's the little details that count. Replace any blown light bulbs, clear out bins, wipe down radiators and check behind furniture and appliances. Before you hand back the keys, do a final walkthrough. Imagine you're the landlord. Would you be happy with what you see? Follow this guide and you'll hand back your home with confidence. And hopefully get your full deposit back too. Good luck with your move.